Hi, in this video I will show you how to send camera roll photo as snap to keep streak. In order to do that, you can go over right here to your camera and click onto this icon right here, which is your gallery icon. From in there, just choosing here the camera roll photo that you want to actually use. Now let me head over and then choose one from the list that I have right here. Now for this, click onto this send to and then send it to people that you want to send it with. Now click on this send icon. Now as you can see, it's been sent. Make sure to actually delete the draft right here and then head over right here to your inbox. Head over to your chat with that friend, and as you can see, it's been sent right here. Now do take note that what you have done will be registered as a snap for them. As you can see, we have now 58 and earlier we only have 57. So right now it's been recognized as a snap and it will actually help us keep the streak they have with that person. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.